What if I told you there's a planet that looks like it's covered in blood-red dust, but no life has ever been found there?
Why does Mars glow red while Earth shines blue? Is it hiding something beneath its surface?
It may look beautiful, but Mars is one of the most hostile places in our solar system.
Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, a cold desert world drifting millions of kilometers away from us.
But what exactly makes Mars red? The answer lies in something surprisingly familiar: rust.
Mars is covered in iron-rich minerals, and over billions of years, they oxidized. That red dust is actually iron oxide, the same substance we call rust on Earth.
But unlike Earth, Mars lost most of its atmosphere long ago.
Without a thick atmosphere, there's no protection from extreme cold or radiation.
Compare that to Earth, where air, water, and life exist in perfect balance.
Mars is dry, cold, and silent.
Yet scientists believe Mars once had water.
Could life have existed there billions of years ago?
Today, Mars remains one of the most explored planets in our solar system. Robots search for signs of water and maybe life.
But could humans ever live on Mars? Without oxygen, without water, survival would be extremely difficult.
Even gravity on Mars is only about 38% of Earth's.
So Mars may look beautiful, but it is a world of extremes, shaped by science and time.
But Mars still holds secrets, buried deep beneath its red surface.
Beneath the dust, frozen water still exists. Scientists believe these ice reserves could support future missions.
But Mars wasn't always this cold and dry.
Billions of years ago, it may have looked more like Earth.
So what went wrong?
Mars lost its magnetic field, leaving it exposed to the sun's deadly radiation.
Without protection, its atmosphere slowly disappeared into space.
And with it, liquid water vanished.
What remains today is a frozen desert. But its red color still tells the story of its past.
Every grain of dust is a record of time.
Now imagine standing there alone. No sound, no wind you can hear, just silence.
Would you survive even a single day?
Mars challenges everything we know about life. Yet it continues to inspire humanity. Because understanding Mars helps us understand Earth.
A planet that lost everything teaches us what we must protect.
Mars is not just red. It is a story written in dust, time, and silence. But what if Mars never lost its atmosphere?
What if it still had oceans, rivers, and life? Could humans have lived there naturally? Or could it have become our second home?
But reality is far more unforgiving. To live on Mars, we would need to create everything from scratch.
Artificial oxygen, artificial warmth, artificial life support. Even the gravity would change how our bodies function. Mars may look close, but it is still millions of kilometers away.
A journey to Mars takes months, not hours. And communication with Earth can take minutes or longer. Mars is not just far, it is disconnected.
Yet we continue to dream of reaching it.
Because Mars represents more than a planet.
It represents curiosity, survival, and the future of humanity.
A red planet shaped by iron, time, and loss. A world that once may have been alive, now frozen in silence. And a reminder of what can happen to any planet. Mars is called the Red Planet, not just because of its color, but because it tells a story we cannot ignore.